Welcome back to another exciting iRacing NASCAR truck video, this time from Phoenix International Raceway, PIR. Been off for a while, had to go to Florida, and then was busy at work, and then we got, probably 16 inches of snow here in Central Illinois, so about 2 metric tons of ice on my driveway. This was an exciting race. Right here I'm just setting my settings up, setting up my brakes and stuff. So I'm going to title this one 10th to 3rd because I really screwed up in qualifying. As you'll see, so I just ran out of track. This is my first lap of qualifying, and I pushed it a little too deep. And you can see I should be right tires on this line, and yeah, when your seat is over the line, so that's trouble. And it's qualifying, so I just stayed in it. Usually new tires it'll hook, it just didn't hook. So you'll see I let off with these trucks. If you let all the way off, it's just going to hit the wall. It goes straight. So I probably should have, in hindsight, pumped the throttle, trying to get it turned, but even then it's too late. My mistake was not letting off or riding the brakes enough going in the turn. So, redeem myself with a decent lap for having the nose knocked off the truck. We'll play the second lap. Much more gentle, too gentle, so there's no nose to help you turn. Downforce is huge. You see the finish left and right front. A lot of steering input for big tires. Damage. Going to the race. Green flag, green flag. I like setting these guys up with the high side pass first lap. Didn't know they're going to wreck each other. Tires is when you want to make passes. Once the tires get old, it's so hard to pass one line around the track. Lines, sometimes three tires. How much driving you actually have to do with brakes and throttle. I was behind because I had to let off that wreck, so I really wore my tires. Catching these guys and hurt me throughout the race. Give me a shot. If they would have messed up, I would have been there fast. Yeah, that's something you don't want to see is truck sideways coming out of turn 4. How fast are we going there? So you're coming off the turn at 127. Definitely don't want to see a stop truck. Catching the leaders here. For a minute there, I thought, man, I'm just going to win this thing. I caught him pretty quick, but it's not the case. I wore my tires up and they actually saved some, so that's why I caught them. They saved the tires. And I had to catch them. Like I say, you put yourself in position. You know, they mess up, wreck each other.
Up on your ball.
About the edge, out of control, and then turn 1 and 2 there. I thought our day was done when I seen 8 hit the wall. He's been away a lot. Right here, I'm thinking, I got him. Nope, not trucking away. Almost wrecked. Right here. Whoa!
Racing guy, you were like out of it. You were lapped down.
Nice racing with you, Sean.
Yeah, that was fun.
I've never raced a whole race with someone else in the truck clean like that thing.
Yeah, same here.
So
Yeah, it was a good race up front.
That's it. We did race good. That was a good race. I'm happy with it.
Sure tough to pass here.
Saved a terrible qualifying. Salvaged a third out of it, and we'll see you next time.